Hello everyone. Some idioms above board. Above board mean honest and open. All his dealings are above board. उसका तमाम लेन देन शख्स से बालातर है. Above board mean शख्स से बालातर, सच्चा या खरा, honest and open. Next, add fuel to fire mean to make something worse than it was previously. He is already angry. Do not add fuel to fire by calling him a liar. वो पहले से ही नाराज़ है, उसे झूठा कहकर जलती पर तेल का काम ना करें. Add insult to injury is its mean do something even more harms. ज़ख्मों पर नमक छिड़कना. You have already made him angry, but do not add insult to injury by calling him corrupt. All and sundry, its mean everyone, not the chosen ones only. All and sundry mean har khas o aam. He invited all and sundry to his party. All in all, on a whole, मजमूई तौर पर, all in all, the party had been a great success. Apple of discord. Apple of discord mean the cause of quarrel, झगड़े की वजह. This piece of land is an apple of discord between two brothers. Be the apple of someone's eyes, to be very dear. My son is the apple of my eyes. No doubt. Next, bad blood. Bad blood mean bitter feelings between people, ranjish hona. There is no bad blood between two brothers. Next, bag and baggage. Bag and baggage mean with all one's belongings. सामान के साथ. He threw her out of the house, bag and baggage. उसने बिस्तर बोरिए समेत उसे घर से बाहर निकाल दिया. To the backbone mean completely, to the backbone. He is a liar to the backbone. वो मुकम्मल तौर पर झूठा है. Be beside oneself. Be beside oneself mean बेकाबू होना, out of control. When somebody is strongly angry and when somebody is have a strong feelings of joy, have a strong feeling of emotion, okay, then we say he is beside himself. He was beside himself mean bekabu hona. The teacher was beside himself with anger when Akram told a lie. Next, beat about the bush. असल नुक्ता से हटकर बात करना. To talk about something upsetting or unpleasant. Stop beating about the bush and come to the point. इधर उधर की बात मत करो, मकसद की बात करो. A bed of roses, फूलों की सेज. Pleasant, carefree living. A bed of roses. Life is not a bed of roses. जिंदगी फूलों की सेज नहीं है. A bed of thorns. It's mean कांटों का बिस्तर. Life is a bed of thorns, or you can say life is a bed of nails. Next, there is Bell the cat. Bell the cat mean to endanger oneself for others. To endanger oneself for others. दूसरों के लिए अपने आप को मुसीबत में डालना. Who will bell the cat by reporting against his dishonesty? उसकी बददियानती के बारे में बताना. बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधना है, ऐसा कौन करेगा. Below the belt. Below the belt mean unfair, cruel, नामुनासिब. Below the belt. You know it is below the belt to cheat a friend. तुम जानते हो कि दोस्त को धोखा देना नामुनासिब है. Beneath one's dignity. below one's worth, शान के खिलाफ, beneath one's dignity. It is below your dignity to disobey your teacher. You know, dignity mean worth or the value of somebody. So beneath means below, beneath one's dignity mean below one's worth, यानी कि शान के खिलाफ, इज़्ज़त और अहमियत के खिलाफ. It is below your dignity to disobey your teacher. Between two fires mean दो तरफा हमला की जद में. The judge found himself between two fires when both the disputing parties criticized him bitterly. Next, there is a word, and this is our last word, a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view mean a view seen from above. तायराना जायजा, सरसरी जायजा. We got a bird's eye view of the city from the top of the tower. हमने टावर की बुलंदी से शहर का तायराना जायजा लिया. So these are our 2 days idiomatic expressions, and if you like these things, if you found any value in these videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.